Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Giants protocol. So Giants or G token just get listed on Binance Alpha, and I personally will make a price prediction and show you how to buy it on Binance Alpha. So first, you can open your Binance apps. Make sure you have signed in. After that, as you can see in the top, there is exchange and wallet. You can click wallet here, and then this is your wallet page, and there is alpha tab here. You can click it, and there is G token. You can click it G. As you can see, this is the chart. Let's see the full chart. So this is the chart. I think for the new launch token, it's good because it's not really dumb or spike. So I think it's good to buy for now. And for my price prediction, I think it will hit for more than 0.001. So it will double from. I hope it's true. Let's see in the next few days or weeks. So yeah, and if you can see, if you want to see the details, you can click info here, and you can see the circulating supply. There is 5 billions, around 5 billions, and also the total supply is 88 billions. And you can check also the links like the website and the social media. And if you want to buy it, you can click quick buy here, and or you can just click trade here, and then you can choose the limit order. You can put the amount here, the amount of the price, and also you can bridge or swap it from your other token to G token. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.